Welcome back, everyone. So on today's video, we're going to go through this colony and check to see if we still have a queen in here. We merged two colonies together 10 days ago, and we let I believe it was this colony here on this side, we smashed the queen in. We took this colony, put it here in the middle, shook the bees out, they came back into here. We're going to see if this colony killed this existing queen and how the merger went. So come along, we'll show you that. Here in the Beehive, we're going to go through here. Let's break it open, see what's going on. So the people, if you watch the video on the merger, we do that a lot. We will take a colony, shake them out, remove one queen, and put the colony right here back in the middle of both. Let the foragers and everything come back to the colony, and we usually have very little issues with queens. Sometimes we will have a queen that does get killed though. Just really depends on how big the colonies are and what they were needing. So we gave this colony some valuable resources. We're still going to be feeding them. I have some half of a protein patty we're putting on these colonies out here. We don't really need the protein too much, but just to give them a little bit of help, we'll be adding syrup on it for sure. So let's go through here, see if we can find a queen, eggs, or larvae, see what we got going on. They're still bringing in nectar. It's good. We got good pollen. So here's you can see maybe down in there, they're bringing in nectar. We got good kept honey here in the corners. So that is good. We want to make sure that they have plenty of food. We don't want them stressed or anything. Solid food frame there. There's tons of pollen. Just look at all the yellows, tons of yellow. A little bit of orange out here in this yard, but mainly yellow. And we do have eggs. So I don't know if you guys can see that in between those pollen, there's a little cell, a little clear out. We do have eggs, so we do have a queen in here. Let's see if we can find her. So we had people worried about asking us, well, won't the other colony kill the queen? And they will occasionally. You know, that's just Mother Nature, that's just part of it, but we usually don't have very much problem doing it the way we do. It's just shake the bees out and let them come back, pick a hive. As you can see, there's capped brood, and you might be able to see down in the cells larvae of all sizes, ages down there. We definitely got eggs. Another brood. Lots of captive brood. So when we do a merge like that, so when we take a colony, shake them out, put a colony in the middle, and let them pick a queen, we leave them alone. We do not disturb them. We don't come back in here and, you know, a couple hours or a few days. We give them a week, you know, possibly 2 weeks, 10 days, and then we will come back and we will check to make sure everything is right. If we come back too early, I have found that they usually will ball the queen. So we let them do their thing. Let them become one big happy family, and we usually don't have any problems with it. She is laying good. I like her pattern. We'll let them do their thing. What we will do is we will definitely get food on this colony. We're going to bring food out, get food on them. They're looking better. We will give our protein patty dish right here in the middle. These lids, you can see that, I'll bring it up. They have a recessed lid here. We call it a feeder rim. So a protein patty can fit very nice underneath these. As long as we keep room on here, they very rarely will build. Some colonies will build in here though, but we usually don't have too big of a problem. But most of our lids, if not all of them, have a feeder rim on it. Comes in handy. And then we drill these holes. So we make our equipment, a lot of it. So we drill these two holes right here, and they hold two regular mouth canning jars. These just happen to be quarts. You could use the 5-pound bucket or 5-pound honey jars. You can use gallon mason jars, anything like that. So, all right, well, we appreciate you guys watching. That is how the merge is doing. We are pleased with it. She's looking good. We will keep an eye on her, make sure that she can build up in the next couple of weeks for winter, and go from there. Hope your bees are doing good. You guys are getting ready for winter. We will catch you on the next one. See ya.